Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some crochet ladies handbag designs model. Here are some tips for crochet ladies handbag designs. Choose the right yarn. Opt for a double and a stylish yarn suitable for bags, such as cotton or a blend of cotton and acrylic for a good balance of strength and softness. Size matters. Consider the purpose and size preferences for the handbag. A medium-sized bag is versatile, but tailor it to the user's needs. Textures and stitch patterns. Experiment with different crochet stitches to create interesting textures. Basket weave, shells, or puff stitches can add a unique touch to your design. Lining. To add durability and prevent stretching, consider adding a fabric lining to the inside of the bag. Handles or straps. Choose a sturdy handle design that complements the overall style. Leather, wooden, or crocheted handles are popular choices. Closer. Decide on the closer method options. Include zippers, buttons, snaps, or magnetic closures. Ensure it suits the designs and functionality. Color coordination. Select a color palette that aligns with the user's taste and fashion preferences. Natural tones or bold, contrasting colors can make a statement. Experiment with embellishments. Add flair with crochet appliques, buttons, or beads. Be mindful not to overdo it. Balance is key. Structure and shaping. Pay attention to the bag's structure. Consider incorporating a solid base to maintain shape and stability. Test and adjust. Crochet a small prototype or swatch to test your chosen stitches and gauge before committing to the entire project. Adjust as needed for the desired size and look. Base construction. Start with a sturdy foundation by creating a solid base for the bag. This can be a simple rectangle or a squares, depending on your preferred shape. Body design. Experiment with stitch combination for the main body of the bag. You might use a mix of single crochet, double crochet, and textured stitches to create visual interest. Seam placement. Be static with seam placement. Aim to position seams where they contribute to the overall design or where they are less noticeable. Handles. Explore different handle styles such as single or double straps and decide whether you want them to be crocheted or attached separately. Closer options. Magnetic snaps provide a discreet closure for easy access. Buttons. Add decorative buttons with a loop or buttonhole closure. Zippers. Incorporate zippers for a more secure closure. Shape exploration. Experiment with different shapes, oval, round, or asymmetrical, based on your creative vision or the user's preference. Theme or inspiration. Consider a theme or draw inspiration from nature, art, or current fashion trends. to make the bag unique and personalized. Finishing touches. Don't forget the importance of neat and tidy finishing touches. Remember, the key is to a successful design is a balance between functionality and aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching this video.